1.5 cup hot water. 80-gram red jelly. Mix well until jelly dissolves. A half cup milk. 4 to 5 tablespoons custard powder. Mix well. Set aside. 1 liter milk. Bring it to boil. A half cup sugar. Cook on medium flame until sugar dissolves. Add custard mixture. Stir continuously until thick. Let it cool. Beat well. Gram cream. Mix well. One cup apple chopped. 1 cup mango chopped. 1 cup banana chopped. A 1/4 cup almond chopped. Add red jelly. Add green jelly. Mix softly.